Congratulations. Thank you, winners. Thank you, chief guest.
குரு என்பவர் உங்களுக்கு வழிகாட்ட தீர்ப்பந்தம் ஏந்தி இருப்பவர் அல்ல, அவர்களே தீர்ப்பந்தமாக உங்களுக்கு வழிகாட்டுபவர். அப்படி பல பேருக்கு குருவாக இருக்கும் அண்ணன் ராஜு அவர்களை நிகழ்ச்சியை சிறப்பிக்க வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறோம்.
Thank you. உங்கள் வருகைக்கு நன்றி. Thank you, சிவா. 55 அப்படி வாங்க. சீனியர் செக்ரட்டரி போகப்படுகிறது. தம்பி ஒரே லைன்ல இல்லைங்க, நீங்க முன்னாடி நிக்கிறீங்க, அவர் பின்னாடி நிக்கிறீங்க, ஒரே லைன்ல இல்லைங்க. Front double finger posters. Front double biceps. Relax, relax. Front, last front. Relax, relax. Side just. Relax, relax. Turn back, double biceps with cough. Back, double biceps with cough. Relax, relax. Last front with cough. Back, last front with cough. Relax, relax. Side biceps, any side. Relax, relax. Abdominal thighs. Relax, relax. Please wait. Judges. Thank you. Please get back. Top five. Number 78, please come forward. 78, 81, 82, 83, and 85. 86. கொஞ்சம் Relax, relax. Turn back, double biceps with cough. Back, double biceps with cough. Relax, relax. Abdominal thighs. Relax, relax. Most muscular. Relax, relax. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please get back. And now we're going to start. Front double biceps. Relax, relax. Turn back, double biceps with cough. Back, double biceps with cough. Relax, relax. Abdominal thighs. Relax. Thank you. Please line up. 82. Audio please. Musical post.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got.
Thank you. 85. Audio please. Thank you. Thank you, Madam. கணிப்பில் ஆய்வாளர் மற்றும் திரு கோவிந்த். The winners, 10th place goes to friend number 79, R. Suryaraj from Trichy. சிவா, நீங்க இப்படி திரும்பி நின்று கொடுங்க. Medal, memento and certificate. Congratulations. The 9th place goes to friend number 84, R. Ilavasan from Ariyalur. Congrats. Thambi, line il ba. Hey, Thambi, line il. Congrats. Thank you. The 8th place goes to 154, V. Google Nath from Kanyu. Congratulations. The 7th place goes to friend number 80, R. Ravi Arasan from Kanyu. Ravi Arasan from Kanyu, 7th place. அவருக்கு மெடல் 7th place. அவருக்கு மெடல், memento and certificates. Congrats. The 6th place goes to friend number 81, R. Arun Kumar from Kanyu. Number 81, R. Arun Kumar from Kanyu. Congratulations, Arun Kumar. அவருக்கு மெடல், memento, certificates. Thank you. The fifth place goes to bag number 86, Siddharth from Tiruvallur. Congrats, Siddharth. அவருக்கு மெடல், மெமெண்டோ and certificates. Congratulations. The fourth place goes to bag number 83, Saktivel from Bangalore. Congratulations, Saktivel. Thank you. The third place, now category 55 senior, 78 are Agneswaram from Bangalore. 2000 cash award, memento, medal, certificates. Congratulations. Thank you. The second place goes to rank number 82, C. Pandi from Chennai. 3000 cash award, memento, medal and certificates. Congratulations. Another category, Shiva Classic 2025 Open Council Champion. Rank number 85. Lord Ramyo, Kanyakumari. Congratulations. அவருக்கு medal, memento, certificate, 5000 cash award. திருக்கோட்டியிலே இருந்து ஒரு ஆனந்தகன். இதுல போட்டோ எடுத்துக்கலாம். Every